we have to find product. We have 2 times 2 times 2 times negative 2 in the first example. We have multiplication. So first we concentrate on the signs. We have first three numbers don't have any sign. It means they are positive, but the fourth number is with negative sign, so it's negative number. So we have like positive numbers times negative. 1 is negative. So positive times positive give me always positive answer. So positive times positive will be positive. Positive times positive, so will be positive. And now positive number, we have to multiply times negative. Positive times negative, so the answer is always negative. Positive times negative or negative times positive, you have to memorize is negative. So first we have to concentrate on the sign. We have positives times negative. So because we have only one negative, the answer will be negative, and we have to just multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this is equal negative sign. We rewrite 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So when we have one negative number, doesn't matter how many positive we have, the answer will be negative. Next example, we have positive times positive times negative times negative. So now we have two positive numbers. When we multiply two positive numbers, the answer will be positive. And now, when we have multiplication, it doesn't matter which number we multiply first. 2 times negative 2 or 2 times 2 or negative 2 times negative 2. It doesn't matter when we have multiplication. So I can multiply first. 2 times 2 give me positive. And now I have also multiplied 2, negative 2 times negative 2. Negative and negative give me always positive. With two negative signs when we multiply, they give me positive sign. So negative times negative give me positive. And now I have positive number times positive. Positive times positive give me positive answer. So now I have to concentrate on the numbers. So I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. First, always the best way is always first concentrate on the signs and next on the numbers. When you have, of course, multiplication only. When we have multiplication, it doesn't matter if you multiply 2 times 2 or 2 times negative 2. So this is equal. Positive sign we don't have to write. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this is 16. And the last example. Now we have 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So when we have only multiplication, it doesn't matter which numbers we multiply first. So let's start from the left. 2 times negative 2. Positive times negative give me negative number. And I can multiply also negative 2 times negative 2. Negative times negative give me positive. And now I have negative times positive. Always negative times positive or positive times negative. It doesn't matter which way you do this multiplication. The answer will be negative. So we know the sign of our example. And now we have to just multiply. I will write this in parentheses. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite. And 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. So now we can combine our information that when we have only one negative sign and all in this example and multiplication, the answer is negative. When we have two negative signs, the answer is positive. When we have three negative signs, the answer is negative. So we can write that when we have odd numbers, with negative sign, the answer is always negative. When we have even numbers with negative sign, the answer is positive. Odd, it means 1 is negative, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Even, it means 2 numbers are with negative sign, or 4, or 6, or 8, and so on. This is my solution.